Hey y'all, today we are making French onion meatloaf. Let's get in this kitchen. Alright, so we're going to caramelize our onions. The measurements of everything I use will be in this description bar if you want to make a bigger portion. I did make a pretty small meatloaf, but here I have one whole white onion that I'm cutting really thinly. I have my skillet on a low temperature, so I'm just slicing these, and then I'm going to add some olive oil to a skillet and then some butter. We're going to add in our onions, and then we're going to add in some salt. That'll help sweat the onions down, and then we'll add some sugar as well, and that will help caramelize them. You do want to be patient because caramelizing onions takes about 15 to 20 minutes. And then lastly, I'm going to add in some garlic and just let those cook for another couple of minutes. And then next, we are going to start to work on the actual meatloaf. So I have some ground beef. I'm going to add an egg. I'm going to add some breadcrumbs, some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. Alright, next I'm going to use Lipton French onion soup mix. This has enough salt, so I didn't add salt to the recipe. I'm also going to use some beef broth, and then we're going to get everything mixed thoroughly. Alright, so once we have that mixed, we're going to add the loaf to a pan. It is slightly greased. I'm going to mold it into the meatloaf and put it in a pan. For the sauce, I used some A1 steak sauce, brown sugar, and ketchup. I mixed that, and then I added it on top of the meatloaf. I also added some shredded Gouda and Swiss cheese. And on top of the cheese, I'm going to add the caramelized onions. We're going to bake this uncovered on 375 for 50 minutes. And in the next clip, I'm just making some gravy to put over the mashed potatoes. So just adding a little bit of oil. I did reserve some of those onions that are caramelized, a little bit of flour, and then I'm going to get everything mixed around. I'm going to add some of that same beef broth to the gravy. You can add salt if you want to. I didn't feel it needed it. I did add a little bit of pepper because you guys know I like it spicy. And then this was good, y'all. It's finally getting cold here in California, so I'm so happy to be eating warm comfort food. Again, I made some mashed potatoes and some broccoli. If you guys happen to try this recipe, let me know. Please, please, please like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.